Ever wonder why your diet isn't giving you the results you crave? Get ready, because today we're diving into the delicious world of chicken breasts. And trust me, what you're about to learn might just change the way you think about your meals forever. Okay, let's talk chicken. You might think that munching on chicken breasts is automatically a ticket to fitness success, right? But hold your horses. The truth is, not all chicken breasts are created equal, and if you're not careful, you could be unknowingly derailing your health goals. So what's the solution? It's all about understanding the nitty-gritty, the nutrition facts of chicken breasts. Step 1. Get to know your portion sizes. It's easy to underestimate how much you're actually eating, especially when it comes to something as seemingly innocent as chicken. Grab a scale, measure out your portions, and you might be surprised at what you discover. Step 2. Choose your cooking methods wisely. Sure, deep-fried chicken might taste like heaven on a plate, but it's also packing a whole lot of extra calories you probably don't need. Opt for healthier cooking methods like grilling, baking, or poaching to keep those numbers in check. Step 3. Don't forget about the skin. That crispy golden layer might be tempting, but it's also where a good chunk of the calories hide. If you're serious about trimming down, it might be time to bid farewell to the skin and embrace the leaner side of chicken. Promise you'll start seeing those pounds drop and your energy soar once you get your chicken game on point. Say hello to a leaner, meaner you, all thanks to a few simple tweaks in the kitchen. Trust me, your taste buds won't even know what hit them. Here are some facts you need to know. Chicken breasts stand out as a nutritional powerhouse, particularly prized for their exceptional protein content. This macronutrient is pivotal for individuals seeking to bolster muscle development and facilitate tissue repair. With each indulgent serving of chicken breast, you're not just savoring its succulent flavor, but also supplying your body with a rich array of amino acids. These fundamental building blocks of protein are essential for promoting optimal growth and facilitating swift recovery post-exercise or injury. Whether you're an athlete striving to enhance performance or simply aiming to maintain a robust physique, incorporating chicken breasts into your diet ensures a steady stream of the vital nutrients required to support muscle synthesis and repair. Vitamin Boost. Delving into the succulent depths of a tender chicken breast not only tantalizes the taste buds, but also delivers an array of indispensable vitamins crucial for overall health and well-being. Take, for example, the presence of vitamin B6, a powerhouse nutrient that plays a multifaceted role in supporting bodily functions. This vitamin acts as a coenzyme in various metabolic pathways, aiding in the breakdown and utilization of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats for energy production. Moreover, vitamin B6 is instrumental in synthesizing neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which regulate mood, cognition, and sleep patterns. Furthermore, this vital nutrient fortifies the immune system by supporting the production of antibodies and immune cells, thereby enhancing the body's defense against pathogens and illnesses. In essence, vitamin B6 serves as a cornerstone for maintaining optimal metabolism and bolstering immune resilience, ensuring that your body operates at its peak performance. Simultaneously, the presence of niacin in chicken breast adds another layer of nutritional benefits. Niacin, also known as vitamin B3, plays a pivotal role in promoting skin health and nerve function. As a precursor to nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, NAD, and nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate, NADP, niacin participates in various enzymatic reactions essential for cellular energy production and DNA repair. Additionally, niacin facilitates the synthesis of ceramides, a type of lipid crucial for maintaining the skin's protective barrier and preventing moisture loss. Furthermore, niacin's vasodilatory effects improve blood circulation, ensuring adequate nutrient and oxygen supply to peripheral nerves, thereby optimizing nerve function and promoting overall nervous system health. By incorporating niacin-rich chicken breast into your diet, you're not only nurturing your skin's radiance but also fortifying your body's neural network, ensuring that your outer layer and nervous system remain resilient and vibrant. Mineral treasure trove. Beneath its juicy exterior lies a wealth of minerals vital for maintaining overall health and vitality. Phosphorus, a fundamental mineral abundant in chicken, plays a pivotal role in bolstering bone and dental health. By fortifying the skeletal structure, phosphorus contributes to the maintenance of strong and resilient bones, crucial for supporting physical activity and preventing osteoporosis. Furthermore, this essential mineral actively participates in cellular processes, including energy metabolism and DNA synthesis, ensuring optimal functioning of various bodily systems. Meanwhile, selenium, another indispensable mineral prevalent in chicken, serves as a guardian of thyroid health. By supporting thyroid function, selenium assists in the regulation of metabolism, ensuring that energy production remains efficient and your vitality levels stay constant. Additionally, selenium acts as a potent antioxidant, protecting cells from oxidative damage and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. With selenium-rich chicken as part of your diet, you're not only promoting thyroid health, but also enhancing overall well-being and resilience against environmental stressors. Lean and mean. Unlike certain protein sources that may be accompanied by undesirable fat content, chicken breasts stand out for their provision of lean protein, rendering them an optimal choice for individuals mindful of their calorie and fat consumption. Whether your goal is to shed excess weight or sustain a healthy body composition, incorporating chicken breasts into your diet offers a strategic advantage. Packed with high-quality protein and minimal fat, chicken breasts provide the necessary nutrients for muscle growth and repair without burdening you with unnecessary calories or saturated fats. This makes them an excellent dietary option for those embarking on weight loss journeys or simply striving to maintain a balanced and nutritious eating regimen. By opting for chicken breasts, you're not only fueling your body with essential amino acids, crucial for muscle development and recovery, but also minimizing the risk of consuming excess calories that could thwart your weight management efforts. Whether grilled, baked, or roasted, chicken breasts serve as a versatile and satisfying protein source that supports your dietary goals without compromising on taste or nutritional value. So, whether you're looking to trim down or simply stay on track with your fitness goals, lean and protein-packed chicken breasts offer a delicious and guilt-free solution. Versatile and delicious. In addition to its nutritional benefits, chicken breasts offer a remarkable versatility that ignites culinary creativity in the kitchen. Whether you prefer the simplicity of grilling, the comforting aroma of baking, the quick and vibrant stir-frying method, or the slow-roasted tenderness, chicken breasts adapt effortlessly to various cooking techniques. This adaptability opens up a world of possibilities, allowing you to experiment with flavors, textures, and cuisines to suit your palate and preferences. Picture a succulent grilled chicken breast, its smoky char mingling with the subtle seasoning, or envision a perfectly baked chicken breast, golden and crispy on the outside, yet tender and juicy within. Craving something with a bit more flair? Stir-fry strips of chicken breast with an array of colorful vegetables and aromatic spices, or indulge in the rich and comforting flavors of a slow-roasted chicken breast infused with herbs and spices. Whether you're whipping up a quick and nutritious salad, crafting a hearty pasta dish, or preparing an elegant gourmet meal, chicken breasts serve as a versatile canvas for culinary innovation. Their mild flavor profile makes them the perfect blank slate for a myriad of ingredients, allowing you to explore and experiment with different flavor combinations and cooking techniques. So, whether you're in the mood for a light and refreshing salad, a comforting and hearty stew, or an indulgent and gourmet feast, chicken breasts provide endless opportunities to elevate your culinary creations and satisfy your taste buds. With their versatility and adaptability, chicken breasts truly are the ultimate kitchen staple for both novice cooks and seasoned chefs alike. So what are you waiting for? Head to the grocery store, stock up on some quality chicken breasts, and start putting these tips into action today. Your body will thank you, your taste buds will thank you, and hey, you might just start thanking yourself too. See you on the lean side.